So, welcome back to episode 16. The plan was for me to complete the elevator today. That did not happen, mostly because the work today involved a lot of priming and some finish painting before the elevator could be reassembled. And you can't tell from outside, but it is a cold and wet, rainy day. The humidity is very high. So while the primer was still able to be sprayed and dry in a relatively short amount of time, what normally takes 7 minutes took about 10 or 15. The acrylic enamel paint, the finish paint, is taking absolutely forever to dry so that I can play with the parts. I normally don't paint inside, prime or paint inside the workshop. However, having the day off and I did not want to waste a whole day, I made the decision to go ahead and do that. So I covered up the motorcycle and I wear the mask, the respirator when I'm doing it. But if I was going to make some progress today, it was going to have to be done inside. So that's where we're at. And no matter what I did, you saw me with the heat gun there. I was trying to aid things along a little bit. Didn't really seem to have much of an impact on getting that paint to dry. So, you know what? It is what it is. Not much I can do about it. The paint actually looks quite good. I'm happy with the way it came out. I went ahead and sprayed the finish paint on some of these parts that you can see through the center section and the end caps to make my life easier later on. And we'll finish it up another day. Take care.